welcome to Nailevition. Today I'm going to show you how to create this Christmas wreath design using pearls and different beads. It is a very easy design to do and really quick. So let's begin. Okay, to start I'm going to need 2 toothpicks and our 3mm pearls. Also, I'm going to use some dipping system deep base coat. You can also use top coat and the activator. Also, we need some colored glitters. These are the Young Nails Imagination Art glitters. You can use all different kind of colors. If you don't have these glitters, you can also use dipping powders or colored acrylics, anything you like. Why do I use the dipping base instead of gel? Is because with gel, when you pick up the pearls, you dip it into the gel and then you dip it into the glitter. But when you're curing it, you have to hold it and then twist it, otherwise the gel will drip to form a kind of oval shaped pearls. So it's kind of waste of time. So with dipping base, I dip it and then I'm activating it, so it's starting to dry straight away. So you can put it aside and then use the another stick to make more pearls of different colors. So it's kind of really quick. Okay, to start with, I'm going to open my pots so you can get your pearls ready. I'll wipe it entirely with the dipping base and then dip in one color, tap off the excess, so it's a very round pearl. So I'm now going to tap on the activator. I'm not brushing it on, I'm just tapping on, and then wipe off the excess so it doesn't have any glitter left on the brush. You can put it back to the bottle, leave it aside. Now you take your second one, repeat the same process in a different color, tap. If you see there is some place you didn't fully cover it, don't worry, because you can put this place, this uncovered place on the bottom of where to attach the nail, so nobody will see it. That's okay. Okay, after you have done the second one, take off the first one. Okay, and then now you can continue on the process until you get the desired amount of pearls. So after you have done some of the Christmas colors, you can also use some different size of the metal beads and the pearls. So I have the 2mm pearls and 1mm pearls, the metallic ones. Also I got some rose gold beads, some bigger ones, some smaller ones. Also some 2mm round pearls and some 1.5mm pearls. Okay, now let's make the wreath. Okay, so to apply the little beads, I'm going to need some clear acrylic powders and the monomer. I like to apply big accessories with acrylic powders so they don't lose that easily. Okay, so dip your brush into the monomer, grab a small bit of acrylic, place it on the nail. Okay, and then grab one of your pearls, place it on top of the acrylic, just like this. So you make a few of your guide pearls first, and then you fill in the rest with different colored pearls and different sizes. So this 3 is my guide pearls, so my wreath is going to be around like this size. So you make sure you know the top and the bottom, so you fill in the rest as a circle. Now I'm going to fill in with some rose gold small beads and some red 1.5mm beads. But I'm going to use some non-wipe charm gel for this. I'm still going to use my toothpick. So dip a little bit of gel, put it at the place you want the beads to be, pick up one bead and place it. Okay, and repeat the process. Okay, so after you have been placed all the beads and happy with the design, you can cure that. Okay, after the pearls has been cured and all the acrylics has set, you can apply the top coat. Okay, apply it around and inside the hole first, and then you need your top coat to be wiped on both sides and apply it over all the pearls. Just enough to cover the pearls, but do not fill in all the gaps and things, so it's not look as 3D. Okay, if you're happy with that, cure that. Okay. Now this Christmas theme wreath is finished, so it's very simple to do. You just need different colored pearls and things like that. So these 3mm pearls you can get from Swarovski, or you can just get a cheap $2 pearl necklace and then just take the pearls off. So it's just, they have different sizes pearls. These are mainly 3mm ones. I think it's pretty much the biggest size you can use on a nail, but you can use bigger sized pearls if you want to achieve a bigger wreath of your choice. Okay, so here is another one I have created before. I have used a 4mm pearls on this one. So if you want, you can use 3mm or 4mm pearls. It's just this depends on what kind of design you want to achieve. And also in the white one, I have used some metal sticks to cosplay the candy cane. So it's all kind of really easy to do. And the pearls is very easy to do. You can pre-make them and put them in a pot. So when the client comes, you just take it out and use it. Okay, so here is today's Christmas wreath design. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe. And make sure you join the Facebook group, Nailevition support group. In there we can ask questions and show off your homeworks. I'll see you at my next videos.